3-course meal that is within 1,000 pesos.
So for our appetizer, we will be doing bacon wrapped in asparagus. So first, we need asparagus, bacon, olive oil, pepper, and salt. So the first thing that we will be going to do in our asparagus is to bend it, and then to find out where the firm edge is. And then next is we will be cutting it, and this will serve as your guide. And then next, we'll be using bacon. This is the American bacon. You can find different kinds of bacon in the supermarket. This one is the American ones, and then what we will be going to do is just to cut it in half. Then next, we get around 4 to 5 sticks of asparagus, and then we will wrap the bacon. So the last thing that we will be doing on our asparagus is to drizzle it with olive oil. Additional flavoring, and then salt and pepper. The next thing is we will be putting this asparagus into the oven, 200 degrees Fahrenheit for around 10 minutes. When it is cooked, it should look like this, and then we will be going to bake it. So this is the bacon wrapped asparagus.
So for the main course, we are going to have fried chicken. The ingredients are garlic, salt and pepper, and of course the chicken. While waiting for the chicken to cook for 45 minutes, we will make butter grits. The ingredients are butter, green peas, carrots, and corn. Then, we will put it in a pan. So for the butter not to burn, we're going to put a little bit of oil. So we will going to put the carrots first because it takes time to cook. Then we are going to put the green peas. And the corn. After 5 minutes, we are going to season it with salt and pepper. After boiling for 45 minutes, we're going to put the chicken into the oil.
So hello guys, now I'm going to make the other side dish for our fried chicken, which is the mashed potato. The first thing that you should do is to peel your potatoes, then put it in a saucepan, then add water. Boil it until it's more tender, and add a little salt. Then after the potatoes are already far tender, remove the water in the pan. Now I'm going to mash the potatoes. You can either use a potato masher or an immersion blender, which I'm going to use right now. So let's mash the potatoes. Now let's add the butter. Now let's add milk. the salt and pepper to taste. Mix and mix until it's good. Then we're done making our mashed potato. Ta-da!
So for our gravy, we will be making, first of all, roux. Roux is made of cooked flour and water, so we will be making roux now. Roux is used as thickener. Make sure that your roux has no lumps. Next is we are going to add water. This is about 2 cups of water. Then next is we will be adding chicken cubes. This is available on supermarkets, sari-sari stores, and even in the market.
After the sauce has thickened, add 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Then to taste, then stir.
Okay, so now we're going to make cookies for our dessert. Okay, now you need half a stick of butter, then softened butter so that it will mix easily. Then you mix it until it's lighter. It has a lighter shade of yellow. So after mixing until the butter has lightened its color, put half a cup of sugar and half a cup of brown sugar with 1 teaspoon of vanilla, preferably vanilla extract. It has more flavor than vanilla flavor. After mixing until it lightens and it's easier to mix, put 1 egg. Then, after mixing it with the egg, put half a cup of flour and half a teaspoon of baking soda. After mixing it with the flour, you put in half a cup of oatmeal. After mixing in the oatmeal, you use a rubber spatula when you're mixing the chocolate so that the chocolate wouldn't break. I'm going to put half a cup of chocolate and half a cup of white chocolate. So after mixing in the chocolate, you shape the dough, the cookie dough, with 2 spoons, or for an easier thing to shape it, you're going to you can use an ice cream scooper. So you put it in an oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown in a 250-degree oven. So now we're done with all of our cooking for today. And for the appetizer, we've done bacon wrapped asparagus,
Fried chicken for our main course.
and for the sides, buttered veggies
Mashed potato.
and gravy.
Yeah.
And for dessert,
Cookies!
white chocolate and chocolate chip cookies.
Woo!
Okay, so now we're done.
Let's dig in!
Yes!
Party!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Yeah, I will shut up.
Chip cookie!
Boom, boom, yeah. Now, I'm going to bed. Oh, I'm tired.
Bakit hindi ganyan?
Tapos mag-LRT pa, tapos mag-jeep. May mga kasabay na
Kaya yun na yan.
yung taga-Baclara.